Hey guys, welcome back for another video. And so for today's vlog, I'll be featuring with you my new credit card product from RCBC, and that's RCBC Visa Platinum. Okay, so before I proceed this video, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and for more updates, just click the notification bell button and follow my social media accounts on Instagram, Threads, X, TikTok, and Laika at RayRayNatex. Again, if you don't like my contents like this, then definitely just exit this video na lang to avoid receiving some bashings out there. As para ayun, iwasan na natin yung mga ganun. Uh, kung gusto niyo pa rin akong i-bash, I would say this na you're just wasting your time. So, ayun. I'm sorry. So, basically, meron akong existing credit card with RCBC at ito yon, yung RCBC Flex Visa, and yung current credit limit ko dito is 40,000 pesos. And then ang nangyari nun, na-shock ako nun dahil nung chinek ko sa online banking ko sa RCBC, nagulat ako na na-increase ako ng credit limit for like 6 digits. So i-reveal ko siya later. Basically, nag-upgrade sila ng RCBC Flex Visa ko into Visa Platinum. So ito na siya. I think yung story nito, kasi wala akong maalala na mag ako ng credit card, credit limit increase or magpa-upgrade ng bagong credit card, kasi I was still in the US pa rin. I think nasa San Francisco ako noon. Tapos laking gulat ko na lang na na na-approve daw ko for upgrading my new credit card with RCBC. And then as far as I remember, wala naman akong, ayun nga, as what I said, na wala akong ni-request na credit limit increase, or I don't know kung maganda yung credit score ko, or it's either maganda yung transactions ko with my checking account tsaka sa business account ko sa RCBC. So ito yon, yung dalawang yon. Ito yung checking account ko with them, and then ito yung business account ko. So I think ang masasabi ko lang is, one thing's for sure, na I think naging loyal talaga ako sa RCBC. So ayun, even though na na hindi ko to ni-request, I still think RCBC pa din. So ayan, siya, Visa Platinum, I believe. So ayun, Visa Platinum siya. Pero meron akong isang dream credit card with them, that was Visa Infinite. Pero probably lang muna, one step at a time lang muna. So ayun, andito muna ako sa Visa Platinum. So ayun siya. So yun lang naman yung story nun. And then I think ang next ko naman i-share ko sa inyo is yung delivery nito. So basically, i-deliver na siya nung dito sa bahay ko. Pero nasa pa ako nun eh. Nasa San Francisco pa ako nun eh. So if possible, tawagin niyo yung yung RCBC hotline to para masabihan niyo sila na na kung pwedeng may mag-authorize sa niyo sa pag-receive ng credit card, kasi kasi ito yung instance nito. Yun nga, nung nasa San Francisco ako, tapos dineliver na tong credit card ko, hindi pwede. So basically, yun nga, tawagan niyo yung RCBC para para ma-authorize kung sino yung tatanggap nitong credit card nito. So I think ang nagpa-deliver nito is Air 21. Supposedly dapat Air Trego siya, kasi may na-receive akong text message na from Entrego siya, and then lumabas on the next yung Air 21. So basically, abisuhan niyo yung yung mga nyo, credit card nyo, para ayun. So ito na siya, yung Visa Platinum na. Okay, so um i-unbox na natin to. So, wait lang. Unbox ba or unpack? So, ayun. Wait lang. Ay, dito lang nga lang. Wait lang. Kunin ko lang yung gunting ah. So, ito siya. Ayan. So, yan. Tatanggalin ko lang ano, yung stapler. Be careful guys na ano na kapag tatanggalin nyo tong stapler na to kasi minsan dyan kayo na ano eh, nasusugatan or what. So, ayan. Tapos, if ever try ko nga i-ano to, i-buksan dito yung part na to. So, wait lang. Actually, guguntingin ko na lang siya kasi ayoko kasi i-destroy to eh. So, wait lang. Wait lang. Yung ilaw nito. So, ayun. Wait lang ah. Guguntingin ko na lang dito sa side na to. Oops. Ayan. So, yan. Ito na siya. Ah! So, ayan. So, ang makikita nyo dito is, ayan siya. Visa. Visa siya. So, travel opens the door for exciting experiences. So, explore the world sooner with your RCBC Visa Platinum. So, ayan siya. Ayan. So, let's see what the cards look like. So, ayan. Ang ganda niya, oh. Wait lang. Ang ganda siya. Your card is inactive, so activate your RCBC Visa Platinum to start enjoying its benefits. So basically i-ano ko na lang siya, a-activate ko siya dun sa ano ko sa RCBC online banking ko. I think padali lang naman eh kasi I think i-activate nyo lang siya with your expiration date nito. So I think yun lang naman, but we'll see. So ayan siya, tatanggalin ko siya para may pakita ko sa inyo. Wait lang ah. Ooh. Grabe yan ba? Madikit siya. So yun na siya. Oh. RCBC Visa Platinum na siya. Yan oh. So basically etong credit card na to is designed for mahilig sa mag-travel dyan and what. So ayan siya, RCBC Visa Platinum. So basically etong RCBC Flex Visa, so this is basic credit card, tapos in-upgrade nila ako ng ano, ng eto, yung RCBC Visa Platinum nila. So ayan siya. So I think kapag na-activate na to, automatic na ano na to, cut na to yung old credit card ko. So ayan, ito na yung gagamitin ko from now on. So thank you talaga RCBC. I know na naging loyal ako sa inyo. So ayan siya, it has my name on it. So ang maganda dito is yung credit card number nyo, tapos yung credit card expiration date nito is lahat nasa likod na. So ayun. So later isa-sign ko rin to, tapos ayan, I can start using it na. Pero syempre, since malaki-laki na rin tong credit limit nito, you have to know your limits din. So use it in moderation lang din kasi syempre mahirap na yung mga panahon ngayon na mababaon kayo sa utang and what. So far in my experience of owning a credit card for like more than 2 years, never ko naman na-encounter na mabaon sa utang or ano, kasi syempre I have more than 8 credit cards from different banks. So, syempre, ano, use it in moderation lang din talaga. So, yun nga. So, ayan siya. So, I will go over dun sa ano na ito, sa benefits nito, tsaka yung perks and all, tsaka, ayun, sorry. Um, so, basically, get one preferred air mile for as low as 25 pesos spend. So, I don't know kung local or ano siya, or international. So, ayun. And then, exclusive visa affluent benefits. So, ayan siya. And then, access world-class airport lounges. So, that's my favorite one. I heard na na doon sa Pugs Lounge, meron na daw silang unlimited uh, free lounge access using this RCBC credit card. Tapos, pwede ka pa magdagdag ng isa pang companion. So, I'm gonna try that. So, ayan. Ayan siya. And then, receive free travel insurance and purchase protection. So, yun. And then, so it has my card number on it. Tapos, ang credit limit ko is 250,000 pesos. So, imagine nyo yun, from 40,000 pesos, tapos nag-increase sila into 250,000 pesos. I don't know kung paano nangyari yun kasi yun nga, as I mentioned earlier na wala akong ni-request na credit limit increase or yun nga, maganda yung credit score ko tsaka iba pa. So, yun lang naman. Wala naman akong naalala na ginawa ko yun kasi syempre nasa US ako nun eh. And then, yun, may cash advance limit ako dito. And then, monthly billing date for every second of the month, 22nd of the month. So, ayun. And then, my expiration date ko. So, andito lahat. And then, yung sa likod nito, so, wait lang. So, basically, I won't go over to read this. So, kung gusto nyo, ano nyo na lang, i-pause nyo na lang siya for a moment. So, ayan. Ayan siya. I-pause nyo na lang yung ano nito. Ayan. So, eto pa. Ito yung sa baba nito. So, yun lang naman. Yun nga, na-mention dito is yung airport lounges that comes with this priority pass. So, may priority pass din siyang kasama. So, that's din. Pero ito kasi this is from my US credit card. So, aantayin ko pa yung dumating yung priority pass. Pero for now, ito lang muna yung sample ng priority pass. But basically, I won't go over this itong priority pass. I think I'll do a separate video for that. Especially when comparing itong ko, this is from my US credit card, tsaka yung do sa Philippine credit card ko with priority pass. So, yun, yun lang. Okay, so, tignan ko lang yung magkano yung membership nito. Sorry, hindi siya membership eh. Annual fee. So, wait lang. So, ang annual fee nito is 5,000 pesos. But again, there are many ways to waive it naman. So, kung lagi nyo ginagamit yung credit card nyo, then just ask your bank to to waive your annual fee para yun lang naman. Or it's either like pagka mag-spend kayo ng 10,000 or 20,000 man yan, then I think may mga promos silang gano'n. So basically, there are many ways naman to waive your annual fee. So it's up to you kung paano nyo siya hindi siya gagamitin. It's up to you kung paano nyo siya gagawin. So it's either gagamitin nyo siya ng gagamitin or magano kayo ng promo, yung mga ganong bagay. So, ayun. So, yun nga, ang annual fee nito is 5,000 pesos. And then, yung regarding above sa travel insurance nito, it's actually up to 5 million pesos. So, wow. That's great. And purchase protection when you charge all your international travel related needs to your card. So ayun. And then meron din siyang e-commerce purchase protection of up to $1,000 per claim per year for possible losses on online purchases which include non-delivery, wrong or incomplete delivery or damaged purchases. So ayan. And then meron din silang 24/7 Visa Concierge service. So for more na lang din, for more infos, visit nyo na lang yung official website ng RCBC credit cards. So ayan siya. So yun, I think that sums up the video. So I'm sorry guys, medyo nabubulol ako dahil kakagising ko lang din. So ayan siya. This is my RCBC Visa Platinum. Sorry, kagagising ko lang talaga. So, ayan siya. Thank you RCBC. So, ayan. Again, this is not a sponsored video. I just wanted to share it with you guys na how did I go through it. So, ayan siya. So, bale, ang gagawin ko lang is antayin ko pa ma-deliver tong yung Priority Pass membership ko with RCBC. So this is actually from my US credit card pass. So once I receive it, may dalawang na ako, Priority Pass Select membership na rin ako. So ayan siya. Yun lang naman guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm sorry again if medyo nabubula ako dahil kakagising ko lang din. And yun lang naman. So thank you guys for watching, and please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, and for more updates just click the notification bell button and follow my social media accounts on Instagram, Threads, X, TikTok, and Laika at Ray Natic. So thank you guys for watching, and peace for now.